So, ngayon nandito kami sa Bonhomie, guys. Ito po yung cute naming cottage. Villa. Dos Andanas, 8 kapasidad, no? At 8 capacity, ayan. No? Oh, up and down siya. So, ayan. Dito naman yung ating common kitchen. Tapos yung isa, ayan, isa rin yung nirentahan namin. So, it's beautiful. Diba? At saka masyado siyang, under the shade kasi maraming talisay. Diba? Ngayon, the water is rising. So, we're waiting on it. See? Look. It's not very clear. But, anyway. It's pretty. So, I got with me, my family. Ayan. So, ayan, nakasukin na yung buhok ko kasi, siyempre, bagong kulay kasi yan. At, hindi maganda sa salt water. So, palibutan po kami ng bundok. Kaya, yun. Ayan. So, mamaya, tataas na yung tubig dyan. Dyan kami magtatalon-talon. Dyan kami magtatalon. Kanang, ban, inyuhan ng hamok. Nganong kita oram naghamok diha, gatuwa man na diha? Ha?
Shared mo na, auntie.
Dai, kumuna.
Ay man to imong hamok. Itaon na daan imong hamok diri pikas. Kay man. Oh. Well, okay. Maraming villa ito, guys, no? Kaya ang ganda talaga, very private. Sa kabila ang dami pong mga cottages, yung mga niririntan sa kabila. So, dito tahimik dito. Napakatahimik dito. So, down there, maraming mga cottages, mga maiingay na tao, nagpapartihan. Oh. Bukid talaga, bukid kami, oh. Yan. Pretty. So beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's breathtakingly beautiful. Look at it. Yan. So later on, I think there will be some music, acoustic Saturday night. Every Saturday night, which is today is Saturday, from 8 p.m. to 12 in the morning. I'll be sure that in front of the parking area. Yeah. This is nice. Ayan, yun naman ang coffee shop sa taas. May mga nag-hangout din dyan. So, you see? Ganda, no? So, there are a lot of somewhat floating cottages out there, far away. But the way to get there is through that, I don't know, we call them balsa or gakit, no? It's a bamboo floating thing. So what you have to do is just pull the rope all the way to the floating cottage. Over there, doon kami magtatalon. It's a diving board. There's a diving board out there. And then at the same time, people do fish over there. There's plenty of fish in this area. So, maraming cottages. So, and the water is completely beautiful. Why? Kasi blue siya. Very crystal clear talaga siya. Okay. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.